Drinking red wine could help you live beyond 90 years old. Have you ever wondered, could there be a drink that not only brings joy with every sip, but also helps you live longer? For decades, red wine has been hailed as a miracle elixir for health and longevity, from improving heart health to reducing the risk of cancer and even slowing down aging. It all seems to be packed into that modest glass of wine. But are these benefits genuinely trustworthy, or are they merely age-old tales passed down without proof? Let's uncover the fascinating secrets of red wine and the extraordinary effects it may have on your body, especially once you've passed the age of 50. For many decades, scientists have been on an unrelenting quest to uncover the secrets of a longer life. One particularly intriguing discovery is the so-called French paradox. Despite consuming a diet rich in saturated fats, the French have remarkably low rates of heart disease. What sets them apart? Researchers believe that the French habit of regularly drinking red wine might hold the key to their cardiovascular health. To delve deeper, subsequent studies have expanded in scale, focusing particularly on the Mediterranean diet, a lifestyle where red wine takes center stage in daily meals. Early findings suggest that this diet not only extends life expectancy, but also significantly enhances the quality of life. Red wine is celebrated not just for its distinct taste, but also for the natural compounds it contains, which have a remarkably positive impact on health. One of its most outstanding benefits is its ability to support cardiovascular health and provide powerful antioxidant properties. Found primarily in grape skins, red wine contains a compound called resveratrol, a potent antioxidant. Resveratrol works by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL, thereby lowering the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular issues. Moreover, it helps prevent the formation of blood clots, a critical factor in protecting heart health and reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Thanks to its antioxidant effects, red wine also shields cells in the body from damage, slowing down the aging process. Red wine is not only good for the heart, but is also believed to have the potential to prevent certain types of cancer, thanks to its powerful antioxidants like resveratrol and polyphenols. These compounds help inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in common types of cancer such as ovarian, breast, and colorectal cancers. Studies have shown that drinking 1 to 2 glasses of red wine daily could reduce the risk of these diseases by up to 50%. Additionally, resveratrol has anti-inflammatory properties and supports the immune system, which helps to block the formation and development of tumors. However, scientists emphasize that these benefits are tied to moderate wine consumption combined with a healthy lifestyle. Excessive drinking, on the other hand, can lead to adverse health effects, even increasing the risk of illnesses. Beyond physical health, red wine also offers significant benefits for the mind and the aging process. Containing compounds such as resveratrol and flavonoids, both powerful antioxidants, red wine has the ability to protect nerve cells from damage and slow cognitive decline. This is particularly vital for older adults who face an increased risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Resveratrol, in particular, helps prevent the buildup of plaques that cause neurodegeneration, thereby supporting memory retention and cognitive function. Simultaneously, the antioxidants in red wine contribute to slowing the aging process, protecting the skin and vascular system from damage caused by free radicals. Moderate red wine consumption not only helps you feel more youthful, but also enhances your overall quality of life. Red wine plays an important role in boosting the body's immune system alongside its benefits for the heart and brain. Rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, red wine helps reduce the risk of infections caused by bacteria and viruses. Notably, studies indicate that drinking 1 glass of red wine daily can lower the risk of Helicobacter pylori infections, the leading cause of stomach ulcers and stomach cancer, by up to 11%. Moreover, red wine can help combat bacteria responsible for food poisoning, thanks to the natural antibacterial properties of polyphenols. However, experts consistently stress that these benefits only arise with moderate consumption. Moderation is the key for red wine to act as a trusted ally in supporting the immune system and safeguarding overall health. While red wine is celebrated for its potential health benefits, not all studies paint a positive picture. Some research suggests that even small amounts of alcohol can increase the risk of certain cancers, particularly liver and stomach cancers. This has sparked debate among experts about whether red wine is truly a miracle elixir or simply a byproduct of a healthier lifestyle typically seen in moderate wine drinkers. Furthermore, the benefits of red wine are heavily reliant on moderation. Experts advise against consuming more than 1 to 2 glasses per day, as excessive intake can lead to serious health consequences, such as increased risks of cardiovascular disease, fatty liver, and neurological disorders. Those with a history of liver or stomach conditions, as well as pregnant women, are strongly advised to avoid alcohol entirely. Another critical consideration is the lifestyle of red wine drinkers. People who consume red wine often adopt healthier eating habits, choosing nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, fish, and nuts, factors that significantly contribute to longer lifespans and improved quality of life. Thus, while red wine can offer certain health benefits, it is far from being a universal solution to health problems. The key lies in maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and embracing a holistic, healthy lifestyle. Red wine, with all its potential benefits and controversies, continues to be a fascinating topic in the world of health and longevity. While it may offer support for your heart, mind, and overall well-being, remember that moderation and a balanced lifestyle are the true keys to a long and healthy life. What are your thoughts on the health effects of red wine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on living your healthiest life. Cheers to good health. See you in the next video.